I talk to so many people who are not saving, they're not investing, they're not making financial plans because they're waiting for that bigger salary. They're waiting to get to six figures, and they're missing out on the opportunity right now to actually start laying the foundation and building wealth and paying down debt and saving. Hey everyone, this is Bola. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So let's talk about six-figure salaries and what having one really gets you. A six-figure salary is something that so many people aspire to because after working so hard, seeing those extra zeros at the end of your annual salary can be a big deal. However, earning six figures doesn't always lead to having a rich life. Many people think that if they can just earn six figures, they are going to be well on their way to becoming wealthy. However, it's very important that you understand the differences between income and wealth. Income is simply the money that comes into your bank account by virtue of your job, for example. Wealth, on the other hand, is money that you have saved and has grown for you over time. And wealth is something that you have irrespective of whether you're earning an income or not, because your money is working for you whether or not you are working for it. So basically, you can use your income to grow wealth, but simply earning an income does not equal wealth. And that's why you hear the stories of people who make a little money but are able to build a ton of wealth through investments and careful financial planning. And so it's not about what you're earning, but it's about what you do with what you have. So to build wealth, regardless of whether you're earning six figures or not, here are some key things that you can start to do. Number one, find your reason why. What is that reason that's going to compel you to take action and get out of your comfort zone when it comes to building wealth and doing what you need to do to get out of debt, to save money, and to invest? You have to have a reason why, and that's going to be your motivator as you move forward. Number two, you want to focus on paying down debt because having high interest debt can actually keep you stuck because all this money that you're working so hard to earn is going to interest payments. And if you can get ahead of that debt, then you can repurpose those funds elsewhere, like to savings and investments and pursuing your other goals. Number three, you want to evaluate your lifestyle and see if there are any opportunities for you to cut back on excess. And this can help you with finding additional money from what you already earn to put towards your goals of paying down debt, saving, or investing. Number four, you want to create a plan to try your best to save more money. And like I said, you can do that from looking at your lifestyle, finding areas to cut back. And if you earn that six-figure income, when you get to that point, you've already established the habit and consistency of saving so that when that additional cash starts coming in, it's easier for you to save even more. Number five, you want to invest because when you invest, this is how you grow your money. And your money grows over time through the power of compounding, dividends, and earnings on your investments. And so investing is another way, regardless of your income, in which you can build real long-term wealth. And finally, you want to find ways to increase your income. So even if you're not making six figures now, like I said, it is a great idea to aspire to six figures, but you don't want to wait until you earn six figures to start planning and working on building wealth. You can start building wealth right now as you work on achieving six figures in income and earnings. And then once you get to that six-figure point, you've already laid the foundation of all the financial steps you need to take to accelerate achieving your goals, your savings goals, or your debt payoff goals, or your investment goals. So it's all about working with what you have right now. And I've said that multiple times in this video, but that's really, really important to keep in mind because I talk to so many people who are not saving, they're not investing, they're not making financial plans because they're waiting for that bigger salary. They're waiting to get to six figures and they're missing out on the opportunity right now to actually start laying the foundation and building wealth and paying down debt and saving. So it's really important to keep that in mind. So remember, you can build wealth regardless of whether you earn a six-figure salary or not. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please stop by Clever Girl Finance, check out our awesome content, check out the podcast and also our completely free courses, and be sure to follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance. We have a great time over there. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you're loving what you've watched, be sure to tell all your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance as well. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video.